chapter 3, which is strings. Okay, let's look into it. String is a data type. We know that there are five data types in Python language. Not only, especially in Python, in every language there will be some types of data types. If you want to look how many data types are present in the Python language, just open your tab, data types in Python. You can see there's string, int, float, complex, list. These are data types are present in Python language. Okay, let's look into the out chapter. Strings. String is a data type in Python. String is a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. Quotes in the sense double quotes, single quotes, and triple quotes. We primarily write a string in three ways. First one is single quote string. Means here we can see the name. A means it is a variable equal to Harry. Here it is only single quotes are present. It means we can represent a name between a single quote. It can be a character or any string. Double quoted strings. We can also represent a name or a text by using double quoted strings. If you want to give a note or a personal paragraph, we can keep the content in between the triple quoted strings. Okay, let's look into our program. Let's a equal to apple, a equal to quote started, hello, my name is Sunny. Okay, let's print this statement. The string print a alt F5. We see that in the terminal box it is printed hello, my name is Sunny. This is known as a string. Okay, let's look into string slicing. A string in Python can be sliced after getting a parts of string. Consider the following string. Name is equal to Harry. Okay. For every string, there will be an indexing part. Let's make it short. Let's give it as Sunny. And here, the slicing start begins with from S means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, here S is for 0, and U is for 1, and N is for 2, and so on. If you want to print the particular alphabets in a string, you can write, let me tell, A start. If you want to print only U alphabet in our string, print A of 1. A of 1. Let's run this program. Yes, we can see the U alphabet is printed because we only typed to print only first index in our string. So only the alphabet is printed in the terminal box. Okay, let's look. The index in a string starts from 0 to the length minus 1 in Python. In order to slice a string, we use the following syntax. Okay, what is meant by negative index? If you want to print from the back, if you want to print y, you can print like 4. If you want to print only the y in our tenor blocks, print a of 4, or we can also type -1 alt f means see it's printed y means if you want to print from the back side, you can give it as -1, -2, -3, -3, -4, and so on. And from the front side, it will start with 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, what we are seeing the negative indices. Slicing with the skip value. If you want to skip any element in our string, we can do like If you want to print SUNNN with skipping of index 2, let's print. It starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and I want to skip second value. Okay, let's run this program. Yes, you can see the alphabet U is skipped in the strings and the string running box. If you want to skip any alphabet in a given string, write the required index to be skipped in the last place. Then the alphabet will be skipped in our terminal box. Other advanced slicing techniques. Would if you want to print the entire string, you can give empty colon 7. It will print amazing. If you don't give any number in the first place, it will take it as 0, means it will be starting from 0 to then part 7, and it will print the amazing. String functions, if you want to um, find the length of the string, we can use a function called length length of a. Let's run this program. Let's run this program. Here we can see the numbers. The length of the string is 5. Okay. String dot ends with. This function tells whether the variable string ends with the string ARR or not. If string is Harry, it returns true for error since it ends with that. If you want to count the total number of occurrence of any character, means if you want to count the number of recurring alphabets in our string, we can use the function count of a alpha. Means if you run this program, control F9, yeah, we can see the n is repeating 1. We can use this function, means to identify, to find out the alphabets reoccurring in our string. Okay, string dot capitalize. This function helps to capitalize the characters in the given string. If you want to find any word in our string, we can use string dot find. If I want to replace if I want to replace any alphabet, replace I want to replace S, comma, B. Let's run this function. S is not defined. If I want to replace the string, we can use string dot replace old name, comma, new word. Okay, we can use this function to replace any word. Two examples of the escape sequence characteristics we can use in the program: slash n slash t means new tab, single quotes and double quotes. Yeah, this is for the class. See you in the next class. Yeah, that's for today. See you in the next class.